So this is a standard desktop with dark theme. If I open up Microsoft Word, this is what I get. So I get the dark settings, but the actual paper is white. You can get settings to change this, but what I'm going to show you now is how you can do this globally using Windows 10. So if you go to the search in Windows 10 at the bottom of your screen and type in ease of access, you will get various options, high contrast, mouse, brightness, etc. If you click on ease of access, high contrast settings, it will bring up this screen and you can change various bits and pieces down this side. You can click on the display for the text bigger and everything bigger. You can look at the mouse and change the mouse. You can magnify. But I'm going to have a look at the high contrast settings. So if I turn the high contrast setting on, this is what the screen starts to look like. So it's quite harsh for most people, but if you have low vision, it can be really helpful. You can change the different settings. So you can have a high contrast white, which is quite bright, and different other high contrast settings. You can also set up your own theme, so you could use this to make your colour scheme whatever you wanted. So I can change my background to like a grey colour. I could change my text to a bluey colour. I could change the highlights, hyperlinks. I could change the hyperlinks to a more darker colour, and I can save that theme for future use. You've just got to be aware that you need to check that on your apps to make sure that you can actually see all your text and buttons. So if I open up Word now in a blank document, you'll see that my paper is black and my text would be white. So this makes reading easier for people with low vision. If I open up Microsoft Edge, you can see this is what high contrast mode looks like in Google. And if I open up Google Chrome, this is what it looks like on Google Chrome. So it is slightly different, and you can notice that difference on the browsers. So in Microsoft Edge, If we do a search in Google for the Digital Technologies Network, the results look like this. And the Digital Technologies page looks like this. If we do the same search in Google Chrome, the results look like this, and the page looks like this. So you can see there's a big difference between browsers. So you can see that it's worth checking your documents, websites, learning materials in high contrast mode, and both in Edge and Chrome, to make sure that they are accessible to learners. I hope you found this useful.